Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests and the Vanua boys and girls. I'm delighted to be here this morning and to join you all for this most memorable occasion. Today, Tuesday, the 10th of October, 2017 marks the official celebration for the 2017 Fiji Day celebration. This is the day when the nation celebrates its unity and religion and cultural diversity with performance and programs, each focused on its multicultural society. You may note that this year is the first time the main center of celebration has moved from the capital, Suva, to Nandi town. This does not lessen the importance of other centers as well, particularly those from the Northern Division, to be held at Savu, Namboalu, and Taveuni. For us here at the Central Division, the celebration here at Vunidawa, and the Eastern Division, it will be held at Vunilebuka. We can attest that Fiji has come a long way. We are now celebrating Fiji's 47th year as an independent nation. This is a remarkable achievement in itself and one that should be celebrated extensively. The theme for Fiji Day celebration is Fiji, an all-inclusive and a caring nation. This theme resonates well with Fiji's involvement and chairmanship of the COP23, projecting to the world our values of caring and advocating for all the inevitable life challenges associated with climate change, and our plea to all leaders in saving the planet for our future generations. This also highlights the Fiji government's advocating to fulfill the underlying sustainable development goals pledged to leave no one behind. As a small island state, we have portrayed our footprints globally and displayed our unity as a nation. This was apparent when everyone from all walks of life coming together to rebuild the country. Ladies and gentlemen, your government is committed to enhance its relations with our regional international development partners, who had particularly assisted with the humanitarian support during these trying times. Also in helping the Fijian communities in the aftermath of natural disasters in an effective way. We wish to assure you all that this government is for you, the people of Fiji. There are ongoing programs of service delivery to the Fijian people. A number of initiatives like free schooling, accessibility to basic services such as water, electricity, affordable transport, and an ongoing program for the past few years now. Furthermore, ladies and gentlemen, your government will continue to improve access to such necessities as healthcare, strengthening education opportunities, improving access and quality of road and maintenance. This also includes the provision of proper street lighting in urban and rural areas. The government has provisions to offer the much-needed assistance to both the young and the elderly and the low-income earners. Ladies and gentlemen, the current stance of government in ensuring that everyone is adequately supported across a beloved nation has never been better in generating the current prosperity that we are determined to extend to every Fijian. Yet again, the Fiji Day celebration is not only a time of reflection about our 47 years of history as an independent nation, but also envisioning for a brighter future that beckons now. As a sovereign state, we have shown great resilience by overcoming many challenges along the way. This has only been made possible by the people of this country that have called Fiji our home. Those who have labored long and hard to build the country to what we have today. Ladies and gentlemen, today's celebration is for you and the contribution you have made to making Fiji what it is now. Fiji is our home, and Fiji is a home to many without inclusive theme of Fiji, an inclusive and caring nation. We should all unite and celebrate our state's independence. Ladies and gentlemen, your government is positive that it has provided the right environment to improve relations among the different ethnic groups in the country. We can build a better Fiji if we change our minds and attitudes and respect each other as citizens of this beloved country. We are unique because we live in a beautiful country we call Fiji. We can only improve from there on if we work together. Excuse me. The government encourages, ladies and gentlemen, your government encourages one and all to wear blue and fly the Fiji flag proudly today. This is a time of celebration, and we should all be involved. I urge everyone to come participate in organized programs for your respective division. It is a day for unity and coming together as one, and most importantly, celebrating our shared history as a nation. Ladies and gentlemen, on that note, it is my most humble pleasure to officially open the Fiji Day celebration for your division. This is your division, so let's enjoy the celebration together. Thank you, Vunidawa District School, and God bless us all.